Hey, my name is Poonam Patel, and I was wondering if I could get an estimate for this project. Just a quick little thing about me. I'm with Urban Loop Studio. This is my own design studio where I help homeowners remodel their home and update the look of it while also helping clients design floor plans for any new construction lot that they have. So here's a project that I have a client. I'm meeting with them at 12:30, and was just wondering if we can accomplish what they need within their $75,000 budget. So basically, they want to expand the island, remove the wall between the kitchen and living room, update all of the finishes. We'll probably um, add some more like sliding door or a window or something to maximize the views to the backyard. I don't know if we'll have it in our budget to do new cabinets or just change out the fronts and update them. Uh, but if we can, I'd like to, see if $75,000 will cover new cabinets for them. So we'll need to do uh, new countertops, incorporate a space for pantry, update the look of this bathroom. So uh, we'll need to do, I guess, like the finishes and probably do something a little bit nicer here, like glass, frameless glass with a pivot hinge door and then tile all the way up with, maybe, I think this looks like a fur down. We'll need to probably remove that fur down. For now, we can assume just replacing everything one to one here. And then the other things that they had asked for is, oh yeah, there's a step here. So I don't know what we can do with that. I was thinking, we haven't designed this yet, so I'm thinking like maybe we can just do a half height built-in cabinet with some bookshelves to make it look nicer. I don't know that there's a way to resolve this step. I'm pretty sure we'll need to update all of this. Maybe if we can vault the ceiling as well. If we look at the exterior pictures, it's one story, so we should be able to vault it and expand the upgrade, make it look upgraded. For the windows, I haven't seen the inspection report yet, so I don't know if we need to replace the windows, but we definitely want to include that. I'm not sure if we want to keep the wainscot yet or not, but if we can include a line item to just, take all this out and paint it. What else? Definitely want to make this fireplace area look better. I'll probably want to take this door and these windows out and do a sliding door. We need to get rid of this column, so and with removing this wall, we'll probably need to do some sort of framework, like a transfer beam or something. And then if we also vault this area, hoping we can get all that done within the budget. Let's see. What else? Definitely remove this step. That's what I have right now. The clients, I'm meeting with them, as I mentioned earlier, today at 12:30. And if possible, I know this is last minute and unreasonable request to have anyone look at this with such short notice. But if you can give somewhat of an idea by 12:30, I would appreciate it. If not, I'll just follow up with you later at a later time. Thanks so much, and let me know if we can do this under 75. Most likely, the materials I'll be selecting on the behalf of the client, just because it is going to be a custom project, and just to give you an idea of the quality of work that we do, I would like to show you a quick before and after picture of a previous project, just to give you an idea of what kind of work we like to do. So, oh wait, this doesn't have the before and after. 1 second, let me find it. So this is a good idea, a good way to communicate the end product. So this is a previous project of ours. So on the left, you'll see, your standard, standard cookie cutter built home. And then on this right side of this logo, you'll see what we transformed it to. So basically, we just, utilize this whole area to do a custom built-in and upgraded the look of the fireplace here. I can show you one more example. So this is more of a modern contemporary example. I'll show you a transitional example next. Here's the more transitional look that we did. Before it was just, this fireplace, plain Jane, and then, we added these built-ins, we vaulted the ceilings, kept the beam look here, and, just made the kitchen island bigger and made the fireplace look a lot more warm and luxurious. So this is kind of like what the expectation is. I'm not sure what it's going to be like for this house just yet, just because we haven't designed it, but just to give you an idea of what our clients typically look for when hiring us on to design their house. Again, this is Poonam Patel with Urban Loop Studio, and I look forward to hearing from you.